Welcome to visualsmarket.com. We are a multimedia company aimed at serving you with products, services, and information for content creators, small businesses, and entrepreneurs worldwide. Today's video is on Instagram for newbies, the ultimate how-to guide. But before we dig in, please like and subscribe to our channel. It helps us get our information out to more people. We greatly appreciate it. Now let's dig in. Instagram ads for newbies, the ultimate how-to guide. Instagram ads are a great way to boost brand awareness, drive traffic to your website, and increase product sales. However, to be successful, you need to create ads that are engaging, click-worthy, and relevant. There are many different ways to use Instagram ads to increase brand awareness and drive traffic to your website. Automatic campaigns are best for beginners as they are optimized for certain types of audiences. After you've created your ad, you can choose your desired budget. This can vary depending on your ad type, the amount of time you want your ad to run, and the number of impressions you want it to receive. Now that you're done creating your ad, the next step is to target your desired audience. This is one of the most important aspects of Instagram ads, so it's important to get it right. You can target your ad to a specific country, certain cities, device type, gender, language, age, and any user that has ever visited your website. Use compelling and relevant images. Images are key when it comes to driving engagement. You want to make sure that your images are beautiful, eye-catching, and relevant to your content. Optimize your caption. Your caption should be short and sweet, with a link to your website, or a call to action to engage your audience with content they're interested in. Explore different ad types. Several different ad types can be used to promote your business using Instagram ads. Try experimenting with different ad types to see what works best for your brand. Test and track your ads. Testing different ad types, times, and targeting is essential to discover what works best for your specific business. The key to success when using Instagram ads for your business is to target the right people. Therefore, it's important to not only know your target audience but also be specific. You will notice that the number of impressions you receive as well as the click-through rates will be much higher when you are targeting a specific audience. The more successful your ads are, the more likely they are to be displayed on other users' feeds. Using stunning, high-quality images in your ads is one of the best ways to ensure that your ads are successful. Poorly made images are likely to be ignored, so make sure that you're putting your best foot forward. Create a solid call to action. A successful ad should have a clear call to action. Make sure that your CTA is clear and relevant to your content. Use the right ad type. There are a variety of different ad types that you can choose from when creating an ad on Instagram. The best ad type to use depends on your business and your goals. Auto, Instagram's automated ad platform, is a great way to start running ads. If you want to take advantage of Instagram's massive user base and increase engagement with your brand, then you should consider running Instagram ads for your business. There are many different ways to use Instagram ads to promote your business and increase brand awareness, but it all comes down to targeting your desired audience properly. To ensure that your ads are successful, it's important to focus on high-quality content, create a solid call to action, and use the right ad type. Now that you know everything there is to know about how to use Instagram ads, it's time to get started. And for staying this long, we encourage our audience to check out Clickdesigns. Create beautiful, professional graphics in minutes. One-time payment, no monthly fees. Link is in the description of this video. Thank you for watching. If you received any value, please like and subscribe to our channel. Also, go to visualsmarket.com for more products, services, and information.